everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really fun project, painting a bear on a mini canvas using acrylics. Let's jump right in. Let's get started. We are going to begin by painting the background. I'm going for a serene forest scene, so I will mix blue and white for the sky and use some green and brown for the trees. Don't stress about making it perfect. Nature is wonderfully imperfect, so just have fun with it. Once your background is dry, fill in the bear's body with a base layer of black. Use a larger brush for this step to cover more area quickly. Let it dry completely before moving on. Now for the fun part, adding details and highlights. Switch to a smaller detail brush and mix some brown and white to create the bear's fur's texture and add dimension. Focus on the face, adding highlights around the eyes, nose and ears to really bring it to life. For the finishing touches, add any extra details to the background and the bear. This could be highlights, more details on the trees, or even some wild flowers in the foreground. Don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. And there you have it, a beautiful mini canvas painting of a bear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own mini masterpieces. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy painting!